have a restraining order against my ex, and
Mhm.
last night I was just trying to have a normal night out at dinner, and all of a sudden she walked in, she sat 2 seats away from me, ordered the same drink that I had, and then acted like she didn't see me, but I know she did.
I'm really, really sorry that you're going through that. What I can do right now is walk you through your next steps for reporting a violation. Would that be helpful to you?
Perfect. That's exactly why I'm calling. I kind of just froze last night, and
Mhm.
I feel like I should have called the police, but I didn't. And, it's the next day now, so I was just wondering how I go about reporting that violation.
Yeah, you know what? And it's not too late. And, don't feel bad about not reporting it in the moment. That's an option for you. But, there's no statute of limitations that you have to report it within a certain amount of time. A restraining order violation is a restraining order violation, especially if you have evidence of that.
I sent a text to my friend while it was happening, and I think the bartender definitely saw her sitting near me because we were at the bar.
Mm-hmm.
Would those two pieces work for evidence, I guess, in the case?
Absolutely. If it's safe to do so, documentation is always really helpful, because what it can do is it can help law enforcement take it seriously when there is a violation. They have to arrest the violating party if they have probable cause to do so. But, all that's to say, you're building a paper trail. And that's ultimately what's going to be really important if you ever go back to court, to ask them to change the court order, the restraining order.
Exactly. Okay, so I will keep a list of notes about all of these incidences, and I think I'm going to go to the police station right now or call the non-emergency line and report it. Thank you so much, Taylor. That's really helpful.
Of course.